Hi, I'm Katiecooks and welcome back to my cooking channel. Here I'm going to show you how to make a really easy 15-minute Mexican pasta salad. So we want to get some pasta on to boil. While we're doing that, let's chop our veg. So here I've got a pointed red pepper that I'm just going to dice. So I'll start off by julienne it and then slice it across the other way. Then we're going to get some lovely cherry tomatoes and cut each one into about 8 pieces. And then we're going to grab 3 spring onions and just slice them, which is pretty self-explanatory. And this is how I like to finely dice my jalapeno peppers. Again, using the same technique as the pointed red pepper. We're going to slice it into almost julienne but keep it attached to the end, and then slice it across until you get these really fine pieces of chilli, because you don't want any big chunks of chilli in your pasta salad. Just enough, each biteful, to give you a little kiss of heat. It wouldn't be a Mexican salad without some coriander, so get a big handful of that and roughly chop it. And I also like to add in avocado, a big staple in Mexican food. So here we go, this is just how I like to dice them. Be careful because they can be slippery if you're using a sharp knife. And before we use it, I'm going to squeeze over a little bit of lime. That'll just keep it fresh and make sure it doesn't turn brown. Next, we're going to move on to the really simple dressing. So I've got about 3 tablespoons of normal mayonnaise, and then I'm going to go in with some Mexican hot sauce, about 1 tablespoon. I like it spicy, so you can use less. Then I'm going in with about a teaspoon of dried oregano, a pinch of chili flakes, and a squeeze of about 1/4 of a fresh lime. Of course, don't forget to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Go easy on the salt because I find that mayonnaise can be quite salty. But of course, once you've stirred it through and mixed it up, you can always have a taste. Not everyone's the same. You might like to add a little bit more hot sauce, perhaps a little bit more mayonnaise or some more seasoning. And then grab yourself a large bowl and we're going to pop our cooked pasta into it. And then add all our lovely salad ingredients. Red pepper, spring onion, cherry tomatoes, avocado, jalapeno, coriander, and I like to add sweetcorn and some mixed beans. And now in we go with our lovely dressing that we made earlier. I don't like my pasta salads to be too heavy, especially if the dressing is mayonnaise based. So this is quite a light dressing, but feel free to double up the dressing ingredients, so if you prefer a thicker coating. And then I like to sprinkle over a little bit of extra coriander. And then I like to just dig in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this.